Subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Hello friends, Namaskara. Welcome back to Something's Cooking. Our family used to go out for dinner every Sunday. One Sunday when we went out, we saw a new dish in the menu. It was baby corn satay. We ordered it. Everyone in the family liked it very much. I came home and wanted to replicate that dish. And I tried it out. It came very well. I just wanted to share the recipe of it with you all. Now let me walk you through the ingredients. 5 tablespoons of corn flour, 250 grams of baby corn blanched, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, salt to taste, 5 pods of garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, around 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil for frying, 2.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. Let's begin by preparing the marinade for the baby corn. Take 3 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, this gives crispiness to it, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. Let's add some water into this and make it to a consistency so that it just coats the baby corn. I've mixed it thoroughly now. This is the right consistency. Let's add all the baby corn into it and coat them thoroughly. All the baby corns are coated with the marinade. Let's allow it to rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's start preparing the sauce for the satay. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add finely chopped garlic into it. While the garlic is cooking, mix the remaining 2 tablespoons of corn flour with water and prepared a thin slurry with this. Add the slurry to the cooked garlic, stirring it continuously. By the time, let's add all other ingredients one by one into it. I've added 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder to this. Let's mix it well. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and around 2 tablespoons of peanut butter into it. Let's mix all this thoroughly. I mixed in all the ingredients thoroughly. This is the right consistency of the sauce. Now let's add in the salt to taste. Let's boil it for a few seconds. Once you see a boil, just switch it off. When the sauce gets cooling, it will thicken. To avoid this, let's add a tablespoon of oil into it. It will avoid the sauce from getting thick. Let's keep it aside and start frying the baby corn. I have taken a grill pan to fry the baby corns, that is shallow fry the baby corns. Let's add in oil into it. It's around 4 tablespoons. If you don't have a grill pan, you can take an ordinary pan, it makes no difference. Once the oil is hot, let's start putting the baby corns one after the other into it. Once the baby corn is cooked on one side, let's flip it on the other side so that it gets cooked the other side too. See, it's turning golden brown and crispy now. Let's remove them. Repeat the same thing with the remaining baby corns too. All the baby corns are fried and ready. Let's start plating them. Baby corn satay is ready to serve. If you happen to try, please tag us on our Instagram page, like us and subscribe us on YouTube. Bye-bye.